My name is Deborah Anoche, a third-year hospitality and tourism management student, Equal 7 scholar. So about this year's summer camp, I signed in for millinery class. And millinery is about making different types of hair pieces. So this year we did 3 different hair pieces. We did leather hair piece and lace. So yes, we're given a lot of equipment to practice whatever our facilitator was teaching us. So by determination and creativity, we have been able to come out with our own designs, different types of designs. Okay, so I want to say a very big thank you to Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program. We are grateful for giving us such opportunity. And we promise to go into the world to make the Scholars Program proud. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abigail Sintim, the Creative Director of Memories Home Enterprise. So at Memories Home Enterprise, we are into headpieces, millinery, and also packaging boxes. This year, what I taught my Mastercard scholars was millinery headpieces using leather and also crinoline. Millinery is quite broad, but then this year we narrowed it down to leather and then crinoline. In the class, it was interesting. At first, some of them didn't know what the word millinery was, but then with time they picked it up. They tried their hands on how to cut patterns and then made beautiful headpieces, as you can see. So their response was very good. The recommendations I would give is, at the beginning, as I said, when I asked them what they were expecting to come and learn, some of them didn't know what the name or the meaning millinery was. So I kept telling them they should have learnt or they should have Googled to find out what the name was. Probably I'll just suggest that next time, maybe we could do a short teaser or a video for them to know what a particular course entails, so that the students will really get to know what they are going to learn. And the recommendations, or what I'll tell Mastercard, is they are doing a very good job, because outside, as people would be willing, the students, they are in a hurry to complete and then go out in the world to go and work. There's actually not much job outside for you to do. But what KNUST Mastercard Foundation does is they train these young people to learn skills. So they are doing very well. It's a good opportunity for them. I pray and I hope that the students would also take it as a good opportunity and learn more skills, so that by the time they are done with their formal education, they'll have a lot of other skills at hand. Thank you.